friends, it's me, Miss Angie. How are you? And thank you for joining me. Today I have a book that we're going to read together. It's called We're Going on a Treasure Hunt, and it's written by Kelly DiPuccio and pictures by Jay Fleck. What do you think this book is about? Do you think it's about a butterfly flying in the sky?
No.
No. Do you think it's about going to bed?
No.
No. Do you think it's about a boat and going on a treasure hunt?
Yes.
Yes. Let's read it together and find out more. We're going on a treasure hunt. Ahoy! We're going on a treasure hunt. We're gonna fetch some gold. Yo ho ho, me hearties, let's go! There they are. They're going on a treasure hunt. A giant squid, all hands on deck. Get your swords, he'll cause a wreck. Arms be thrashing, cut the rope. Bravery is our only hope. Oh no, they're fighting a squid. They're ready on their ship. Let's see what happens. Tickle, tickle, swish. We're going on a treasure hunt. We're gonna fetch some gold. Yo ho ho, me hearties, let's go. It looks like they tickled the squid. Jolly Rogers, raise your sails. Jolly Rogers, raise your sails. Starboard, there be wicked whales. Hoist and hurry, watch your backs, lest you be a hearty snack. Oh, their boat, oh no, is on top of that large whale. Let's see what happens. Heave ho, we're going on a treasure hunt. We're gonna fetch some gold. Yo ho ho, me hearties, let's go. There they are, pulling that boat off of the whale. Shiver me timbers, high winds, mates, a hurricane, the kind we hates. Lightning bolts and booming thunder. First we plunge and then we plunder. Oh no, a storm, it's coming. Boom, boom, boom. We're going on a treasure hunt. We're gonna fetch some gold. Yo ho ho, me hearties, let's go. Ahoy, a wave, heading for our ship. Salty dogs prepare, lassie's gonna flip. Grab the map before we sink. We all have no choice, all walk the plank. Oh no, they've got to walk the plank because this big wave is coming. Oh no. Paddle, paddle, paddle to the island of doom. We're going on a treasure hunt. We're gonna fetch some gold. Yo ho ho, me hearties, let's go. There they are, paddling away. They're headed to that island right there. Curses, me buckos, an army of bones, swashbuckling ghosties, a spine chillin' groans. No time to waste, no time to fear. We fight till the end, the booty is near. Oh, look, there they are, coming ashore. And they've got to fight. They see those bones. Whoosh, whoosh, we're going on a treasure hunt. We're gonna fetch some gold. Yo ho ho, me hearties, let's go. There they are with their swords. Aye, buccaneers, the treasure be thar. It hasn't been easy, we've come very far. Blimey, it's shiny, a bountiful loot. Look, they found it. That's the treasure. Loot is another word for treasure. And look, they're excited. Yay! see what happens. Captain bewares, there's a beast by your boot. Scallywag, run for your lives. It's a hideous sight. A tail and long whiskers and teethies that bite. I think they're talking about the mouse. A tiny little mouse. But they got scared. There they go, off running. Whoosh, whoosh, paddle, paddle, boom, boom, boom. Hey, ho, tickle, tickle, swoosh. Bye, bye, doom. They left the island. We're going on a mouse hunt. We're gonna build a trap. They've gotta build a trap for that mouse. Yawn, yo ho, but first we take a nap. They all fell asleep. The end. Thank you for reading the book with me. What was your favorite part of the book? Was it maybe in the beginning when they were getting ready to go find the gold? Go on a treasure hunt? Was it when the squid or the whale came out? Maybe your favorite part was when the big wave was coming to the ship. Or maybe was it at the end when they got scared of the mouse and then they took a nap. Those were all good parts of the book. Now, today for our activity, we have Blockbeard's Balance Boat. And this is by Imagination Generation. We're going to put our boat together with all the pirate items. Let's get it out. Okay, so here, since we have a book about a boat with treasure, we're making our very own boat. And on here, there's several items that we have to put on. Are you ready? Let's do it together. Okay, so here's our boat. The boat rocks back and forth, and we have to be careful, but we can hold it just a little. So here we have some pirates. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pirates. Can you say, I need 2 pirates on the boat, please?
I need 2 pirates on the boat, please.
Good job. And we'll put 2 of them on the boat. 1 and 2. We'll save these and put them on in just a bit. Okay, next. We need an anchor. Can you say, put the anchor on the boat, please?
Put the anchor on the boat, please.
Good job. And we put it on the boat. Do you remember some of the things from the book that we saw? We saw a boat. We saw some pirates. The animals were the pirates. We even saw a treasure chest. Can you say, and a map? Can you say, put the map and the treasure chest on the boat, please?
Put the map and the treasure chest on the boat,
Good job.
please.
And now we put it on the boat. Now we have to be careful because you see it's rocking back and forth. Let's put this one here in the middle. Okay. Next, we have the pirate, or the boat's wheel and a compass. Can you say, put the compass and the wheel on the boat, please?
Put the compass and the wheel on the boat,
Good
please.
job. And we put it on the boat. Now remember, we have to be careful because these rock back and forth. Okay, let's put some more pirates on the boat. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Can you say, put 3 pirates on the boat, please?
Put 3 pirates on the boat, please.
Good job. And we'll put them on top. Now remember, we have to be careful. It rocks back and forth. And let's see, we'll put this one on this side. There it goes. Okay, we have a cannon, another treasure chest, a barrel, a life a lifeboat, and some flags. Okay, let's see which one we're gonna put next. Can you say, put 3 pieces on the boat, please?
Put 3 pieces on the boat, please.
Good job. And we'll put them on the boat. Here's a treasure chest, a flag, and a lifesaver. Let's see. They might fall off, and that's okay. We try our best. Put it on top. Whoa! Okay. We need 2 flags. Can you put 2 flags on the boat, please?
Put 2 flags on the boat, please.
Good job. And we put them on. One goes in the back, here, and one goes in the front, here. All right. Now we have 3 more pieces left. Can you say, put the last 3 pieces on the boat, please?
Put the last 3 pieces on the boat, please.
Good job. And they go on the boat. Let's put one here. One here. Oh no. And one on top. Uh-oh. They fell off. And that's okay. That was fun. Thank you for playing the game with me and reading the book. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.